Okay, gentlemen, the plan. I just slid the iron sights back on the 82G leaded club. We'll shoot that. Hopefully this thing will be close. All I'm doing is just practicing for Minnesota Mike's Mike Iron Sights Great Again giveaway. He's giving away a Savage. But anyway, I'm just practicing. The printer's out of ink, so I can't print off his target. Let's get on with it. That should be, I should just have to zoom in. Maybe a little bit. Alright, there we go. Let's zoom in. I'm going to shoot at that top bullseye. Hopefully you can see good. I'm afraid if I zoom in too much, you won't be able to see it all. It darkens up considerable. Let's try that and see if you can see there. Hopefully. I'll try the center of the target first. Let me put my earbuds in. Should have been ready, shouldn't I? I will wait to sync up with the Bluetooth and the Metallica. So that'll take a minute, so I'll just wait and just put the earplugs in. Alright, I'm going to shoot in the middle of the two bulls, and hopefully we hit close. Like I said, I took these sights off the last time I used them. Yeah. Huh. The last time I used these sights was at the match in Pikeville when Chad had the meeting and the greeting. What the hell is going on? Get my boat to go in all the way forward. What the hell? I'll put you on pause. Okay, I had the sights. Here, I'll zoom out. I'll show you. We got time, don't we? Show you what I've done. The bolt was hitting the back of the sight. I had them slid back too far. So I just loosened them up, slid them forward. There's where we're at. There is where we are at. Now let's try her. I said I was going to try the middle of the paper, but let's shoot that bottom bull. A little easier to hold on. You see it? Oh, dude, I hit in the damn 10 ring, didn't I? Oh, we'll take that. We will take that first shot. Big shot ever. I'm shooting the Ely club, by the way. I think I showed you that. I don't even know if this gun will handle it or not. Let's put a couple more on that bottom one. We'll use the top for the record. I have to take some spacers out of the butt of this gun if I'm going to use it for open sight. I got an inch worth of spacers. Let's see where'd that go? Can't tell, I'm blind. Oh dude, did that cut that hole? Holy moly. Oh, surely not. Surely not. Where's them going? There's no way them's going in that hole. This usually has a pretty bad cold bore. I'm saying that is no way can that be correct. Okay, I think we're shooting high there, aren't we? Aren't we? Going in that hole. No way. Holy crap, those are going in that hole. Dude. Let's give it a couple of clicks and we'll go for that record. Up there. We need to go left. Alright, 3 clicks left. We'll see where they go. We're just practicing anyway. I can't really say it's a record target because we're just practicing. Unless Mike wants to count it. I mean, if it's like really good or something, you know. Mikey, old buddy, old pal. Oh, damn it, I pulled that bit. I don't know where it went. Where'd it go? I pulled the crap out of it. Dude, that is 6 o'clock in that bullseye. Come on. Come on. No way. flashed on the trigger that time. Just a little bit of a breeze going. Dude, are we even hitting the paper? I don't know. At least when, or is that a fly? Hell, I don't know. I'm even gonna look no more. I will go down when I'm done and take a picture. Oh, my eyes are blurring out so damn bad. Y'all don't even know. But I am getting new glasses this month. Alright, look, man. I'm not shooting again until I do get new glasses. Not competition anyway. Trying to not fade out so bad. Having to close my eyes and take a breath. Golly. I'm okay for the first few shots. And after that, everything just starts going away. Just want to start shooting fast, because the longer I stay on it, the worse it gets. So maybe if I shoot fast, I'll do a little better. Said every dumbass in the world. Two more would be 10, I think. One more. You got quite a bit of a little breeze out there. My little tree limbs are at the house, or are doing wicked things. Oh, I hate to look. I hate to look. What are we doing? Bro. Come on. Come on with it. Dude, I don't even have to go take a picture of that, duh. Oh, I had one get high, didn't I? Dadgone it. Which one was that? Y'all seen it? Other than that, though, that ain't too bad, man. I mean, that's club. And those are 1-inch squares, so open sight. Come on now. Come on. I'll take it. Let me zoom back out and show you what we're doing. I might go down and take a picture of that, get a thumbnail. I think y'all could pretty much tell. what was going on. Again, that was Ely Kimber 82G Ely Club, lot 3121302120. And pretty good for me, not been able to see anyway. Come on, I mean, I'll take that shit all day long. I'm tickled with it. I like this gun. Boy, this gun responds well to open sights for whatever reason. And I'll probably just leave these on here. I don't need to put another scope on another gun. So this old Kimber shoots, buddy. I'm telling you. And we'll leave it there. You guys have a good one.